Eight tons of Virginia Fieldstone.
That pot is really black, so we gotta do a lot of mixing.
Wow, that is black, isn't it? A lot of black.
Yeah, that one, but we're gonna have to open it up and mix it up.
Yep. He's pretty good with that thing. Most people get all nervous when they get by this hill. It's kind of a long way down. And so it begins. Well, the first column is done. He got it dressed, brushed. Looks great. And then it rained, splashed a bunch of mud up on it, but you're gonna have that. Second column's over here. They started on yesterday. And they got the rock set, but they still need to grout it. It's really coming along nice. Color goes really good with that band, like I said in the last video. Really nice. Making progress on the columns. Wow. It's been raining all day. JP got bored. Just decided he was going to come out and lay some stone. I made that video about the block steps that you did. Everybody loves you on YouTube.
Yeah, my son was telling me, he said, you know what? He said, whatever JP is doing in that job, everybody comments on it.
Yep.
Well, we really sometimes, there's other people that don't care. They just want to have, they don't take their time to do things anyway.
Yeah.
And really, it's like him, we say we love what we do. And that's the thing about it.
Well, you can tell. Another pretty day on the mountain. Let's check on JP. Wow, look at that freaking wall. You guys are kicking butt.
Whoa. hate to try to take off this stone within a week or two. They won't come off.
Well, good. We don't want it coming off.
I know. That's what I was telling him. I said, I'll tell you what.
That little wall looks good. It's got this weird little spot over here. Wasn't really sure how we were going to do this when we started, but we got a wall going on there that is now level. Built this wall here, and I'm going to build now take those like paver landscaping blocks, just make a radius, and just build like a little place there to put plants. So it'll end up looking nice. It was just a weird area. Well, one more problem averted. We were looking for tread stones for the steps. Couldn't find them anywhere. JP found a guy, got a good deal, and these nice flat thin pieces match the rest of our stone just about perfectly.
Looking good.
Yeah. See, I'm not the only one that uses a level as a hammer.
People don't understand when you, mostly the ones that have problems is the leaf cavities on the exterior, and that's where the water goes in. Well, here it ain't gonna damage none, but it's still.
It'll still freeze and pop your stones off.
And pop the stones.
Details, man. It's all about the details.
Oh yeah.
JP wants me to come look at his finished product here. Ooh.
Oh, right.
Hell yeah!
Right. Look at this.
That's way better than those flat capstones that were all one piece.
Beauty. And look at this that we were going to be showing. It's all gone here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Taps is a killer. Well sealed, no cavities into it, so.
You know what? You should probably do this for a living.
It looks like it.
I mean, if you ever had something you needed to do to make money, you could probably do this.
No, this where I've been doing this.
I'm just kidding.
If it's something that we need to make money, I'll probably be able to do it.
Yeah?
Lay the footers on the concrete, lay the block, and kind of lay the stone also.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That turned out
Or
beautiful.
leave it, that's beautiful.
Well, that's one more project completed. I wasn't going to actually have the stone work done yet, just because it's not critical for the final inspection or the certificate of occupancy, but when you have a craftsman like JP available, you want to be able to get that work done while you can, because it's hard to find people who do quality work and who show up to do it. So this is going to be the last project for JP on this build, and he did a fantastic job. We are very happy with the way these steps turned out, the way the piers turned out. I'm real glad we didn't go with the solid stone treads. They looked a little bit more finished and professional and commercial. So I'm glad we went with these kind of flat, more like flagstone, but I don't know, this color matches that band. Everything turned out really nice. I really like it. So that's going to do it for the stonework. And I guess next video we're going to finish putting the shingles on the roof of the porches, and then we're going to move on to cabinets. So thanks for watching. We'll see you there. Like, subscribe. Take it easy.